G'day! So today the PS5 Slim has been announced with a detachable disc drive. Pretty cool, not bad. Already own a PS5, already have a disc drive. Doesn't really concern me too much. My biggest question I've got for it though, with the detachable disc drive now available on the PS5 Slim, will that also be compatible with the PS5 Digital? So if you have an older PS5 Digital, would there be a way to jerry-rig this on to be able to actually play games on the digital version? I feel like that's something that's probably not going to happen. It would be rather useful and give the potential upgradability to people that have bought the digital version in the past. The pricings of them, essentially the PS5 Slim is going to take over the launch PS5. I'm going to quote Australian prices, but at the moment they're $800 Australian. And that's what the same price as what the Slim's going to be. Right now, in the last probably month, you've been able to pick up a PS5 disc version in Australia for around $650, which has been not bad. Personally, I've looked at the digital versions and never bothered about them, especially when they've been dropping that low, especially with PS4 compatibility on the PS5. Now the issue there is, with the new launch of the Slim discless version is $680. You can purchase an external drive to add onto it for $160, which then in turn makes it about $30–40 more expensive than just buying it outright. Granted, it does give you that chance down the line to change your mind. And also there is a vertical stand apparently available that's $50. So I don't know if the Slim will stand up vertically on its own or if it does require the stand to be vertical. Granted, in vertical mode, I do believe with the liquid metal, it does give it the potential to drain downwards, as opposed to it on its side where it's sitting flat. When the liquid metal heats up, it sits nice and cool. So, yeah, my biggest question is, will it be backwards compatible, that disk drive? Fingers crossed, gonna be doubtful. Guess we'll find out soon enough. Bye.